done. The focus on those two drills, skinny and wide walkouts. Goaltender has to get in position off the post, make a good forward push, worry about the vertical angle, and also worry about where the rebound goes. That's where we're simulating the second shot. So much of offense nowadays is generated below the hash marks. Goaltenders that can move side to side and have a real good forward push stand the best chance of having success.